Hey, just wanted to bring a quick video to you before the end of the week here from the shop floor. Wanted to talk a little bit about the EBC conference this year that Woodworking Network is hosting. ExecutiveBriefingConference.com is the website. Super excited to go to this event. Check out the podcast at thepushthrough.com where I've interviewed Bill Essler with Woodworking Network. Talks about all the great speakers. This is not your ordinary boring conference. They have got a treasure trove of speakers from throughout the woodworking industry, guys that you normally don't get out of their shops, and they are here to speak about different things that they've been successful at, times that they've had that have worked great, and I'm just really excited to be a part of this event with the Woodworking Network. So check out the ExecutiveBriefingConference.com. Also, a nice little nugget. You can get $200 off by using the code Jeff, J-E-F-F, at checkout. So $200 off just for using my name, and they get $200 off there at checkout. Again, check out the ExecutiveBriefingConference.com. It's going to be loaded. The Lewis boys are going to be there, which if you've listened to my podcast, you know them. Several guys from outside the industry, including some big companies like Adobe, Intel. There's some economists there talking about the woodworking economy and some of the tariffs and things like that, some higher level things. But beyond that, there's just going to be what I'm looking for is just the opportunity to network with new people within our industry and people that we don't get to talk to very often. Again, I really hope you meet me there. In the notes of this video, there's going to be a link to my calendar. Feel free to click it. I'll have all my times listed there in the meeting link, so feel free to hook up with me while I'm there. Or if you see me, just come and shake my hand, come talk to me. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. Thanks.